What's up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. This should be vlog number 20 or 21. I lost track. But anyway, I have a really good video for you guys today. We are doing two POV where I attached a little camera to my hat and I filmed my hands doing things and piercing and fixing things. So you got to see like my point of view of how I do things. It should be really fun. If you guys like this type of video, comment below. I'll keep doing them. If not, say, Johnny, this thing sucks. Try something else, and I'll do that for you guys as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I put a lot of time and effort into putting this together, so yes, let me know. I have this camera on my hat.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah. I would say like out of all the piercings, it's probably like 7th most popular. Just gonna clean it first before I do anything. Oh, there's a lot of pus too. Okay. Usually if it's like yellow color, which yours kind of is, it could be. Yeah, it's just the bump in the front that's... And now the bump pretty much popped.
Okay.
So now we're just gonna... There we go. Okay. It's kind of like a tunnel. And I'm trying to essentially find the hole. So right now I have a tool in there. That's kind of like a placeholder. There's a good chance it could have gone worse.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. Just curious how these fucking tariffs are gonna start affecting us. Has it affected you guys? Because you guys work with medical device, right?
So the thing is that if it does, because we have places in Singapore.
I think that was the whole thing anyway. Like, so right now you have the moon there.
Okay.
And then you have a longer backing with a bigger disc. The reason I put a bigger disc than the original one is because if the bump gets bigger or it gets more swollen, what tends to happen is the jewelry starts sinking into your skin. So now with the bigger disc, will prevent it from actually going in. And the moon's pretty big too, so obviously it won't. Your goal is, because your hair, the way it kind of comes down, you have to be very careful not to get it caught on here. So just be very careful and try to keep the moon as still as possible. And I already sprayed it, so...
Infected too?
No, it's not even infection, it's just the fact that it could potentially move a lot. Like, let's say every time you run your hair back, you wear glasses every now and then, right?
Yes.
Exactly. So just putting those on and off could irritate it, especially where this is located.
Yeah.
Still pretty good. This heart that you have here, when did we do this one?
That one was back in, I think in December.
Why don't we give you a shorter one for that? Because you have room.
Okay.
Because you have, right now you have a lot of like gunk on it and stuff.
Yeah, I'm sure, yeah.
And like...
the conch one was back in August. I think the moon and conch was back in December.
You have a lot of stuff sticking to it, so it's better if we give you a shorter one so stuff doesn't stick to it as much.
Okay.
And the long ones that we pierce with anyway is a temporary thing. I feel like this one, when did we do this one?
That one's same with the heart.
With a heart?
Yeah, I believe we did it together.
Then let's do both.
And then, well, this is my very first one.
Did we? I think we went to we already switched.
I've never done any of them. I haven't switched nothing.
Then let's do all of them.
They're dirty, huh? Oh
that's why whenever you have long ones in, for as long as you've had them, this is what happens. Stuff sticks to it, and that's why we switched to shorter ones. That way, like, nothing sticks to it anymore. You know?
Because it just gets bacteria, right?
It's just gunky and
growth.
Yeah. And if that stuff goes into your skin, you know. So now your piercings won't move at all. They're literally snug to the ear.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
But still spray them, right? Every so often?
Sorry. Not... These ones look very healthy and they look good. So I feel like the only thing you need to spray is the one that you came in for today.
Okay.
Yeah. Before you leave, just stop by the front and give Ileana your phone number so we could put in the system that we gave you 3 short ones and 1 long one.
Okay.
So if any point you need to come in for like anything, You can kind of track it and stuff and be like, okay, you came in on this day, this is what we did, yada yada.
Okay.
It's very little though.
Okay.
But now, because they're shorter, luckily they won't catch on anything. Yeah, it's really awesome. And I'm already spraying all your piercings for you right now, so I don't want you to have to worry about it today.
Okay.
Does everything show clearly?
Yeah, it looks good.
The quality of it exporting looks so much better. I'll put all the old stuff in a baggie for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
That one, is it okay? Because it gets irritated sometimes.
What do you mean? Like, you prefer having a long one in there?
Like, I'm just saying, like, does it look okay to you? Because it's just like, sometimes I'm like, ugh, it's on my nerves.
Or maybe it was because it was long. Because to me,
Bingo.
It bothers me when it's too long. And that's how come you have to get it shortened.
That's wisdom right there. That's exactly true. No, I'm not even kidding. Like, when it's long, it gets caught on stuff. You know the jewelry you have on the side of the... See all these right here?
Yeah.
The reason we don't pierce with that or sell that kind of jewelry is because everything on the side should be flat so it doesn't get caught on something. When you're drying your hair and your tail gets caught on that, it's going to irritate it. How does that look?
Oh, Jolene, I love it.
Well, that's pretty.
This one's smaller in circle size, so it should also look better too.
Whoa, that one looks so nice. Wow. Wow, that looks really pretty.
Cool. It's cool that you can see everything I'm doing. It's like the first time I've ever done that. So my goal is I'm gonna fit one here and then one here. The only area I cannot do is right there because this part sticks out and I need it to go through. So I need enough depth to go in, and I have like that much ear, which the diamond is like much smaller than that, so it works. And then the next one is super easy. It's right above. Right there. So what do you think about there and there?
I think that's cute.
What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah? And then you have a front row view of it. You get to see, yeah. So turn your head. Perfect. So we're gonna do the bottom one first and the top, okay?
Oh, shoot.
Now it's real, huh?
Yeah, here you go.
So we're on dessert now, right?
No, this is probably the main course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, main course, desserts, put in the earring, and then when he sprays it. After.
Okay.
Yeah. It's fine. Okay.
Okay, I can watch.
You let me know when you're ready.
No, don't tell me.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's the first one. No, but if you handle this one well, honestly, your next one should be easy too.
No.
Well, when we put a whole needle through your ear,
No.
you had any caffeine today?
No.
Last night?
I don't drink coffee, caffeine,
Okay.
or soda.
Yeah, she drinks with water
Good.
Oh.
or juice.
You okay?
Yeah, that was just... I'm just all sweaty. But it feels good.
Turn your head all the way over again. A little more. Perfect. Just like that. Ready? Perfect.
Are the needles bigger or the earrings are? That one felt better.
Really? Okay. You have very long ones in both. You mind taking a photo with your phone?
I can.
See how long those guys are?
Oh, yeah.
So in about 3 months, you're gonna have to come back. So I give you shorter ones because these, I don't want them to like bug you.
Okay, 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
How
And
silly.
I don't understand why some people just don't use that, because you feel such relief when
I
you
know, it feels so good. This,
when you put
this
it-
is the dessert.
when you
This
use
is
that.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I think it looks nice.
Yeah?
Do you think you did a good job?
Do I think I did a good job? I think I did a pretty good job.
It looks really.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate all the love and support. Stay tuned for another video. Until next time, peace.